Sometimes we see something from the internet and we try to incorporate those designs without seeing its functionality into our space. Now in this video I'm going to review study table for you all, and I'm going to tell you how you can make study table functional. Now this is one very beautiful color palette. I love its color palette. It is wonderful. Now let's see its functionality. You see the study table. Now I would rather like to extend the area. See, if you can provide an area of 4 feet for your kid, wonderful. And I can see there's a possibility you can extend the study table up to 4 feet, because your kid is going to study, spread his book, colors, your laptop, whatever. So it should not be like that. That person is studying, your kid is studying, and he's putting all his things in the drawer and then taking it out for study for other purposes. If you can create a 4 feet 5 feet platform for your kid, wonderful. And I can see there is a possibility in this design. You need to have a space for your bags. Bags kahan rakha jayega? You say ki nahi, ye wardrobe diya hai. See, a kid is going to carry his bag all the time, so it should be a proper segregated space like this, and where he can keep it with no other items, and he can take it out whenever he wants, and he knows that this is the space for it. So you need to have a space for bag. Another thing is so many display areas. See, this space is meant for your child, and your child is going to organize it. So if you are giving so many display areas for your kid, it is going to be a task for you to clean it. And if you won't clean it, if you ask your child is going to clean it once or twice a week, but it is not going to be organized all the time, and it is going to be a pain for you. Another thing is, in this design I can see if you have a space where you can sacrifice something for the design, then it's fine. Like in this design you can see you have to sacrifice this much amount of space in every cabinet. This over here, this over here. This is a negative space. You cannot use it, although you can incline your book, but it's not going to be very functional. So if you have ample amount of space to sacrifice, then it's fine. Otherwise this design is not meant for you. Another thing I'm seeing is, whenever you study, you try to move your chair inside your study table so that the distance between your chair and table is properly maintained. So give them a leg rest here at far, so that the chair can easily slide in and your child can comfortably study. So if you consider these points and follow the design, your study table is going to look wonderful.